Hi there everyone, it's the editor here from Robin Hood Dashcam. I hope you are well, staying safe and of course enjoying the videos. It's Easter, so I thought I'd put together a bit of a cutting room floor video. If you're new to the channel, essentially these are some of the clips, observations and silly things that wouldn't normally make it into a normal Friday video. Every now and again I'll put together a bit of a show reel of all the bits and pieces I wouldn't really use, hence the name Cutting Room Floor. If you're not new here and you've seen these before, you know what to expect. If you're looking for your usual dashcam fix, don't worry, we'll be putting out a new video as always every Friday at 4:30. All that's left for me to do is to say thank you again for watching and subscribing if you have. If you haven't, please consider doing so, and yeah, enjoy the video. Thank you. Where's the fog? Point it out to me, please. Where is all the fog?
It's good to know someone's there when you need them. We're with you. So we have over 6,000 engineers, in case you need one.
What are you doing?
Part of British Gas Home Care boiler covers.
No patience at all. Literally next car.
Oh, what? Squirrel. What, darling? What? Squirrel.
Dramas, haven't they? You are not a bus.
Small rosé, white or red or soft drink.
See what?
What?
Drove into the curb.
Oh, so if you wanted like a gin.
Come on, ducks. Oh, yep, that way. Hey, lovely.
Oh dear, someone's got head first into the bloody hell.
What?
Someone's wiped the roundabout out.
God, they haven't they?
Yeah, they must be coming from that way.
Yeah, mowed it down. Because they've mowed 2 poles down there as well.
Well,
They've certainly,
Knows of someone who started talking to me.
Yeah, he's a people's person anyway, so...
Yeah, exactly. Oh, well done, Porter.
Army convoy. We need a little bit to get around them.
Car's built up a nice collection of parking tickets.
yeah, he's put a fake speed camera on the side of his house. Yeah. It's not real. It's a bin. What a load of rubbish. Randomly stop there, shall we? No hazard lights or anything, don't worry about it, it's cool. That's a very well lit up van. Nope, you shall wait. Ooh, lovely. Who is it? Lovely. Who is it? That's what his mum plate says.
Yes.
Oh my.
What?
Perfect.
How did you?
Closer, get a bit closer, get back off. Go on then, I'll let you in, Mr. Van Man. I'm nice. Oh, you're welcome.
I bet there's no parking. That's the
Probably
problem.
not. If you drive me as far as you can, I'll...
What? Yeah, she's facing the wrong way.
Just go, and then you clear the road.
Yeah,
Yeah,
obviously
yeah,
I'm not gonna contribute to this mess, so I'll be around the corner.
Alright, I'll see you later.
Alright, bye. Oh, I think we're done now. How's bloody going on? The road's clear. What are you doing? I don't get it. Is there something in the way of this Peugeot driver? It's just... Oh, there is. I mean, that's an interesting approach, I'll be honest, Peugeot driver. Not ideal here, is it, I tell you? I'm getting away from all this mess. Bastard, he went in lane 3 back over to lane 1 because he couldn't be asked to wait. Worth it, didn't you? Did.
Yeah.
I think we did. Packed. Oh. Banger, banger. Oh, I love being stuck behind 2 lorries. It's the best thing in the world. Who's gonna give them and let him through? Anybody? Oh, we're gonna be stuck behind each other for miles. Well, so far, 2 miles, I've been stuck behind you lot for 2 miles now. Are we nearly around each other? Sainsbury's are racing Amazon. Come on, Jeff Bezos. Oh, Sainsbury's is slowing down. Is he going to let Amazon in? Is he going to let Amazon in? Jeff Bezos won that one. Shouldn't that be don't phone whilst driving? Don't phone when driving. Shouldn't that be don't use your phone whilst you're driving? Maybe there wasn't enough space, but just don't phone when driving. You could at least change the word when to whilst. Good job there's no one turning right, isn't there? He's a big lad. Don't know how it works. Don't work for experience.
What fox?
Oh. Oh.
Oh, Mr. Fox.
Oh.
Mr. Fox.
Still running.
Look at him go.
They're out of sync.
Luddites.
Oh, bugger.
Speed camera ahead. Speed camera.
This was a mistake.
Speed camera.
Unusual for this time of day.
Can we get out anywhere that way?
Speed camera.
Let's go that way and then...
Speed camera.
Shut up.
Speed camera. Speed camera. Speed camera.
Roxy.
Speed camera. Speed camera.
Oh, I gave it a flash.
You did. We're in Yorkshire, people are nice. Oh, nice Subaru.
In half a mile, at the roundabout, take the second.
Oh.
Oh, hello. Are we in the right lane, mate? It's a bit of a gutsy right turn. No one's happy with you, that's for sure.
Why's the twisty thing there? Lights.
Hey!
I don't know why it's still so weird
Yeah,
to me.
that's... It's a very sensitive throttle.
It is, you're right.
That got me the first few times.
Yeah, God.
You've overshot that one a bit.
Oh, shit, yeah, yeah. Mine doesn't roll as much as yours. Perfect.
Oh!
The power!
Oh, my poor car!
I'm not used to this at all. It feels so weird to me. I don't know why.
Why?
I genuinely don't know.
It is not.
Not on the road.
Yeah.
It's fine. It's not a problem. Fire engine.
Fire engine.
Oh, Leyland fire engine.
That's so cool.